Okay, so I'm going to show you all a hair straightening tutorial, and this is how you want to start out. Grab a straightener and kind of how it'll work. Okay, unravel it. Okay, and turn it on. Usually 25 is what you want to put it on. Okay, don't touch it too much when it gets hot because you'll burn yourself. Okay, don't touch it anymore. Sit there. Now, you want to take this for straightening it, and you want to just kind of spray it before straightening. This is called Pantene Smooth, and it's like for heat protection spray, so you won't burn your hair. So you're good. We use that, and it's supposed to be for Tame's frizzy and unruly hair. So if you want to do this and kind of spray it first before any straightening. Okay, so you take this, just kind of want to, like this. We'll kind of do that, but that's because you only have the spray in your hair, that's why. No harm. You'll only want to hold it like this for no more than about 30 seconds. So it kind of forms that straight. Okay. We got this part right here. Kind of space it from the front part you straightened. Okay. Then you just kind of want to go down and try to get that bottom part. And don't worry about the stuff, as in feels like you're spraying. And don't worry, that will not burn your hair off. Okay, so you kind of just take this back part, try to hold it there, and go all the way down. Okay. And we're gonna go back here. But for one thing, when you're doing your hair, you always want to buy this first if you have curly hair, because this is always best. when you're doing this, try not to brush it too much at all, because then it's gonna kind of rip out like your hair and stuff. Sorry if you can't see it, but it'll kind of rip out. You don't want that. So take the back part of it, get down like this, slowly. Kind of make sure it's not flat, way not a whole just chunk. You can do like that, but if you burn yourself, don't touch that. Okay, I can see that under here still got some curls, so just gonna hold it. Kind of do that. And go down. Okay, then back here. Go down very slowly. It's okay if it still makes that kind of sizzling sound. It's just from the spray, but it won't do any harm to your hair. Kind of take it like that. There you go. Now, the parts that you have straightened, go down like this. See how it kind of makes it look somewhat like that? Take that. Now if you want to know the parts you've straightened and still curled, then just take a hair tie, whatever you've got. Just kind of put it like this if you want. Kind of make it look down a little bit to kind of part it from the back. And of course you can take the hair tie out later so you don't Pippi Longstocking. Or just you don't kind of straighten it too much. But if you want to do this, you always want to make sure your hair is dry first. Then put the spray in, and then do this. Okay, see the back part is unstraightened. Try to see what parts back there are straight and what's not straight. Okay, move that more near the front. Okay, so I can take this out. Okay, I'm gonna take the back, still kind of go down a little bit, and then kind of hold it, and just go down. And just don't burn yourself, because that's gonna hurt. And just feel the back. If you feel some curls, then just take your hand, but don't burn yourself. Just move your hand back and go like that. And move your brush away if it falls in your sink or something like that. If it feels too hot, just turn it down to like 20, around like 15. If you feel that's too hot. And take your hand away. Go from there. Sit kind of in the back. And then take the brush that you have in front of you if you have one. Just brush your hair so you can feel the sides that are straight, not curled. And then kind of brush the back. Feel a little curl on the top. That can either be from the spray or the part still curled. Up. Kind of like that. I like to style my hair, so kind of put something like this. Kind of do that, or you kind of twist it to make it look really pretty and such. Now if you feel a little bit in the back, still curly, you can just easily put your hand down and just kind of get that back part. Other than that, that's how you do it. Like step one, make sure your hair is totally dry, not wet. Just make sure that's good. Buy this if you want to straighten your hair, because you put it in, spray it everywhere, because it'll protect your hair from burning, and use this for frizzy hair, so it'll tame it. That's what it kind of says on the bottom if you can't see it, but that's what it says. So it's kind of like step two. Make sure your hair is dry and then kind of spray that in. Then put hair straightener, any kind you have. If you have this kind, put in like 15, so it's not that hot. And just kind of go like this, make sure the front part is, you can put the ponytail in it to kind of separate it from doing the back part. So you don't, you know, kind of straighten this one too much, or then it will burn off. You don't want that. But only hairs, not like a whole chunk of hair. Like that. And then just take a brush if you put one in front of you. Kind of go like that. Like that. And you should have really, really straight hair. And if you feel something in the back, still feels like curls, all you gotta do is just take your hand, kind of pull it down, but kind of straighten it with a low, small amount of hair going down, in no more than 30 seconds, or you're gonna burn your hair off. But that's my tutorial. Really hope you like it, and really hope I give you good advice. Good night, everybody.